In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive, focusing on editing, sharing, and syncing files. Whether you're handling important documents or treasured photos, OneDrive makes it easy to store and collaborate on files in the cloud. Get ready to dive into a simple guide that helps you make the most of this versatile tool. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. You'll need this as your entry point. Once you're logged in, you'll see a range of features available to you via the app launcher. Just click on this part of your screen and select OneDrive from the list of applications. This will take you directly to the OneDrive homepage, the hub of all your cloud stored files. On your homepage, you'll find an option called My Files. Click on it to access your complete library of files and folders, organized and ready for you to sort through. If you need to access your photos specifically, there's a separate section dedicated to them, aptly named Photos. Your images are stored here for easy viewing and management. Next, let's look at shared files. The shared section is where you'll find any files that you've shared with others, as well as files shared with you. It's a centralized point for collaboration and ensures that you can easily track and manage all shared content without getting lost in emails or clutter. If you're ever worried about accidentally deleting important items, OneDrive has you covered with its built-in recycle bin. This feature allows you to restore deleted files with ease. Alternatively, if you're sure you no longer need a file, you can choose to delete it permanently from here, cleaning up your space for more essential content. Uploading files and folders is straightforward in OneDrive. Whether you're sending a work file to the cloud or creating a backup for those irreplaceable vacation photos, you can easily drag and drop items into OneDrive or use the upload option within the interface itself. Sharing is one of OneDrive's standout features. You can share files via email or by creating a shareable link. This flexibility ensures that no matter who you're working with, you can easily grant them the necessary access to your files. Moreover, OneDrive offers seamless integration with other Microsoft apps. This means you can save work from Word, Excel, and more directly into your OneDrive, ensuring everything is in one convenient location and accessible from anywhere. Lastly, for those working between different devices, syncing OneDrive to your computer can make life much easier. This allows your files to be automatically mirrored on your desktop and in the cloud, ensuring you're always up to date with the latest versions of your documents, photos, and more. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using OneDrive for editing, sharing, and syncing files. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our content for helpful tech tips and tutorials.